this will be the elevator at, these are the elevators at Nordstrom at Tyson Corner Mall in McLean, Virginia. Yep, I knew it. These are Montgomery. Oh look at these. Down to 1. Here we go. Well, these are fast. Epic motor. Here we are. 1, 3. You head up?
Yeah.
What floor?
2.
2? It's a Montgomery. These are fast. We're riding the other one. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night. Close the door. Here we go. Whee! Here are 3. Go back on the 2. Ooh. Oh, nice. Love it. Wow. Here we go. Beautiful elevators. Innovation Universal. Hands-free ADA code client phone. Let's try the other one. I'm gonna ride this. Now I'll ride this one. Let's ride this one. Here comes this one. This one coming soon. While we wait, there's your Montgomery PIs. It's broken. Now it's, there you go. That's it.